Panic in the skies. Indigo flight caught in severe turbulence. Passengers scream in fear. Watch the video. A severe storm hit parts of North India, including Delhi, from late afternoon. Caught in this extreme weather was an Indigo flight traveling from Delhi to Srinagar. The passenger aircraft, carrying a total of 227 people including crew, encountered intense turbulence mid-air due to the violent storm outside. The turbulence caused the plane to shake violently, leaving passengers terrified. Many screamed in fear while some began to pray. Scenes of panic inside the cabin have since gone viral on social media. Eventually, around 6:30 p.m., the aircraft managed to land safely at Srinagar airport. However, the aircraft's front section suffered damage due to the rough weather. The situation became so critical that the pilots contacted Air Traffic Control (ATC) to request an emergency landing. One passenger shared their horrifying experience on X, formerly Twitter, writing, "Barely escaped disaster while flying from Delhi to Srinagar on an Indigo flight. Immense thanks to the captain and the crew for handling the situation so well." The storm that caused the scare had begun sweeping through Delhi and surrounding regions earlier in the day.
Ya,